I have a quick tip for you today that involves how to automatically change the year in an HTML document using a piece of JavaScript code. So I'm going to show you at the bottom in my footer. I have 1996 to 2019. I don't know if you'll be able to see that. This 2019 I'm going to replace with this piece of code, which I'll include in the notes. So just to show the page that the current page says 2019 here. So if I replace that with this code, this saves time in just updating this one more thing to update in a web page or email. So then I'm going to save this, and it'll change to 2022, which is the current year. So that's my quick tip for today. Please like if you learned something. Thank you for watching.